Welcome out to our little video talking about BIM, Building Information Modeling. But it's actually not just about 3D models. It's about seeing the work before it happens. A great general superintendent once told me, if you can't draw it, you can't build it. And I love that. And so we got to make things visual and make it visual in all of the dimensions. So I love BIM, and I love virtual design and construction, which is, in my opinion, a cooler name for it. So BIM it makes things more efficient. It can help with quality, safety, the whole nine. And we use it in design. We use it in coordination, fabrication, delivery, install. Using it for instructions for install. I mean everything. It's absolutely phenomenal. I grew up using Revit, AutoCAD, Navisworks Managed, Tecla actually. I remember modeling a structure there. It's pretty phenomenal. Using Trimble for layout, but that was pretty much the end of it. Some of my contemporaries would use Celebri as model checks, have definitely done 4D scheduling in Synchro, and a lot of other work in these platforms. If you get the chance to learn these, like I'll give you an example. For a superintendent, Google SketchUp is phenomenal to learn. I absolutely love it. And the ability to visualize and do some sketches is a key skill. I'm not expecting you to take it to that level, but I at least want you to know about BIM, because some people think it's a nice add-on, but man, it's crucial to how we do work. So there's 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, and it's taking off even from there. There's different approaches that you can use with building information modeling. And so I want you to learn about them. So the challenge is, can you ask your BIM team, get closer to them and get a little bit of knowledge? Can you use a BIM tool with your foreman? Can you integrate it to your project site as best as you possibly can? The really great supers use building information modeling. So I've added some videos. Actually, I didn't add them. Anna Luisa added these awesome videos for you down here in references and resources. But again, we're trying to program your mind. So, hey, can you give us an image of something that you reviewed on the model? Can you tell me something that you actually fixed or prevented by utilizing the model? And can you actually take a photo of your huddle when you were utilizing the visualization from the model on site? This would be a really neat moment for you to take some time and invest in yourself and really leverage BIM as a part of your tool set. I hope you've enjoyed this video. On we go.